Now that we've captured our video and our audio, you need a software to be able to put this video and audio together to stream live. Without the software, you can't stream live. So now how do you find a good software to stream live? Now these are the types of softwares on the market. We have OBS Studio, which is a free software. We have vMix, which is a paid software. We have StreamYard and a whole bunch of softwares on the market. Now, how would you know which software would work best for your church? The simple software for every small church in starting live streaming is OBS Studio. The reason being that OBS Studio is free. 2, is simple to use and not complicated at all.
So in order for you to stream live on Facebook and on YouTube, it's just simple steps. You need something that is called a stream key. But first you must make sure that your Facebook page that you need to stream on is opened. So I'm using this page for the tutorials. It's not really a page I really use, so let's just get right into it. So you open the page and come to live. You click on live on your laptop. It's going to open a different page on your Facebook page or Facebook official page, which is called the live producer. And what the live producer does is that it gives you the opportunity to use whatever settings they've given you on the page to set your live app from your software. So let's wait for it to load. And now that it has loaded, you need something called stream key. So the stream key will help you to allow your software to locate this particular page and stream on this particular page. So what you're going to do is they're going to scroll down and you see server URL and then stream key. So you copy this stream key. So copy, you click on copy, and then you go into your OBS software. Then now you click on settings. You click on your settings. When your settings open, you locate this part called stream. Now that you've located the stream, you have to check your service. Are you streaming to YouTube or to Facebook? Right now we are streaming to Facebook. So you click on service, Facebook Live. Your server must always be at default. There's not even an option to change. Then you clean this stream key and paste yours, the new one that you copied from Facebook, and you click OK. So now the software has this stream key which is directing its source into that particular page that we want to stream in. So always make sure you copy your stream key, you paste it in the OBS, and then the OBS will be able to stream. So let's see something. Go back to your Facebook page. Now there's a small black and blank video over here waiting for live video with the inscription. Yes, immediately we click on go live. Whatever that is in our OBS software will showcase here, which means that now the software is now pushing whatever its content is to this particular page. So go to your OBS and click start streaming. So let's wait for it to connect, and when it is green, it means the internet is strong. As you can see, it's green on the bottom, so the internet is strong. So now go back into your Facebook and then you see connecting live video. Now the video is connecting. Now it has connected. So now that it has connected, you see everything we are talking about now is what is streaming live right now. So before it officially goes live, you come to the left side of the screen and you type in your required title. So let me see, let's do this test. This is testing OBS. So now after you've put in this way, it now makes your go live button move from gray to blue, and now blue gives it an opportunity to click and go live. So you click on go live, you wait for your Facebook to load, and then it is live. So let's wait for it. As you can see, our video is now live on Facebook, and this is how you stream live. So after you've connected your cameras and everything to your OBS, you come into your Facebook, copy your stream key as I've taught you, paste it into OBS, click on start streaming in OBS, and click on go live in your Facebook. Now let's end the live stream. If you want to end the live stream, simply click on end live video and you are done. And also make sure that you go into your OBS and then you click stop stream, and then that is it. You see OBS Studio disconnected. So now that is how it is to stream live using OBS and Facebook.
Till now, then it shows that you are very loyal, and I'm going to give you the tip now. So in using OBS, if you already have a projector in church that you use to project scriptures, then go into your sources menu again, click on window capture, and that will help you capture whatever scriptures that's on your screen to your OBS, to help those also watching online to see the scriptures that you are mentioning. I'll leave a link in the description where I'll give you a link to download the OBS Studio for free. And any other questions that you have, you can message me on my social media channels which are on your screens right now. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your time. Stick and stay for the next video. Thank you.